Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about how to open Facebook on LG Smart TV. Now you have two options. The first option in your LG TV is use your screen mirror or AirPlay with your iPad or your iPhone. Okay, with this you can. Okay, now pay attention. Let me show you how you can make this. Okay, in this TV, okay, in particular this TV I cannot because my TV is too old. Okay, this TV has maybe 10 or 12 years. Okay, this TV don't have AirPlay. Okay, AirPlay. Okay, I can use a screen share with another app, but AirPlay, okay, like that AirPlay, no. But if you have your most recently on LG Smart TV with this button, okay, you can see those here. Example, can you see this TV? This TV is from the other room, okay, and in living room, okay, in my house. In living room, I have a LG TV QNET, okay, it's a new TV, okay, 65 inch, or I don't know how say pulgadas, okay, but this is that TV. Now this is the one option is you can see or watch your Facebook here. The other option is open your browser. Okay, you can find this app. Okay, now pay attention. Can you see this app has the name browser, in Spanish navegador web, in English browser? Open that and then you can find in your browser Facebook. Okay, I use before for okay, for what, for for Twitch, but you can write here, right there, here can you write Facebook and open your face. Now can you see with this you can find your Facebook example who just like that. Okay, can you see it's Facebook and those here. Now if you have magic remote is better. Okay, Facebook not is available in this browser because how I say before, this is too old. My TV is too old. Okay, and this is all for this video. Have a good day. See you later.